So, got Will's car here. What'd you get, Will?
I'm about to add like 30 horsepower.
Damn, dude. We got the Porsche. Oh, just trying to rice this car out as much as possible, honestly.
Like 30
Damn,
horsepower.
dude. But they don't sell it for this car, so Will just bought a Cayman one. So we're gonna see if it's the same size. Where's it supposed to go? Like this?
Oh, it's too
Bro.
big. Like where your lines up?
To here? It's supposed to go like this?
Huh?
It needs to go more.
Like
'Cause look.
down? Like that.
Like there. Perfect, dude.
Oh, dude, is this supposed to be like this?
Yeah,
I
100%.
got a little piece for it right here too, though.
But I mean, just stick it on like that and then just cut it at the door.
Does it look good on the door though?
Like
No,
right
you're
there.
not even fucking close. I don't want to cut it more because you look at it.
Yeah.
YOLO.
Start
Get
on
more
there,
horsepower, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
It's maximum horsepower.
Oh wait,
What?
I'm putting one on each side, so it's like 60.
Oh, dude. Gotta wash the GT3. Damn, this car is clean, bro.
It's because I got too much horsepower.
I thought this is a GT3 though.
Huh?
I thought it is a
I
GT3.
want one and I got one.
Wash the car so the vinyl actually sticks. Damn, 3 bucket system. The M3 started up. Full faithful over here. It started up in like 3 weeks. Bam! Just worked. 127,000 kilometers. Pretty low. I want to drive my car. This thing is the battery's dead because I haven't started in like a month or so. Do that. Will's washing his car. All right, I got my little iPhone charger here. Hopefully has enough battery. Old Faithful. Whew. Damn, I need gas. How those wheels looking?
Lazy.
Gotta get the money shots, you know? Just make sure my battery's charged before I turn it off. Man, hear that VTEC though? Whew. Taking a long time because this guy hasn't washed his car in forever. It takes like 3 times more effort when you don't clean your car often. Cleaned this thing yesterday for the first time forever. It took, man, I had to put a lot of elbow grease into it. I threw that tire shine on there yesterday because I didn't have time to do it. Ooh, there we go. Tires shine. And then if you don't use tire shine after, it's like, did you even wash your car? Y'all good to go? Clayed up, nice and smooth.
Good enough.
Ooh. Mirror. We got masking tape, credit card, box cutter, plus 30 horsepower.
I need a ruler, bro.
You want one?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, I might as well, right?
Yeah, I think 1/2 inch, bro.
Like half an inch is down here, though.
Yeah.
But the thing, I can't
Oh
go
yeah,
too
you can't get the
low.
door, huh?
Well, either way, I just needed to make it a bit even.
Yeah,
Like, I
just
think
make
this
sure
looks
it's
good.
even everywhere.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. Does it look sick though?
Oh yeah. Shit. And you can move this.
Damn, is it gonna look shitty if I put a tit right here? In this line.
I don't know, what do the ones look like on Google?
All the way.
All the way?
Yeah. I mean, you can make it a two-piece.
Oh, like connect it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think you'll be able to notice.
Yeah.
Trying to get it even. Look straight?
Straight as a fucking arrow.
Porsche. That way people know what kind of car it is.
Yeah, I don't know how they would tell before.
Yeah. I guess I'll wash this car too, since this car actually needs a wash. Yeah, might as well. Just got everything out. How's it going, dude? Oh, you're actually doing it now? Gotta make sure it's like on there, you know? Bro, you can't.
Oh,
you didn't cut it yet, bro.
It's okay, I'm gonna cut it right there.
Dude, almost like rip. It almost fucked it up. And bend it into the door.
Yeah. So I make this stick.
Busting out the hair dryer.
I'm gonna just fucking ghetto fix this shit. Right here. I can't get my finger past this thing.
And still gotta wash the M3. Perfect, you know?
It's pretty good, huh?
Yeah, can't even tell, dude. All right, let's do this thing. Finally done. Many cars, you know? Alright, now that we got this thing cleaned up, you can see the differences. So this is why they call this alpine white. It's like a bright white. And you got the champ white over there. This is like personally my favorite white. The only thing I like more than this is the Lamborghini balloon white pearl. I mean, that paint's amazing. But I love the cream and the champ white. Looks good clean, looks good dirty. Looks good when the sun, all shades of the sun. When the sun hits it, it's like bright white. In the shade, it's this nice cream. There's a difference, see that? Boom. Champ and alpine white. We wanted to get the photo before the sun goes down. Now he's got the one side down. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, my shadow's in it.
There you go. looks like a GT3 over there. Are you gonna put the one on the front?
Yeah, I think it'll look better.
Alright, we're hitting the other side now. Definitely makes it look more sporty, that's for sure.
Does that look like the same as the other side? Alright. Guess I'll measure it.
North side.
That one, I fucking eyeballed it last time too.
Yeah.
Because when I took this off and put it back, it
Yeah.
was like going like this.
Ooh.
Put it right there. Boom.
Boom.
Damn, that's just bugging me. You even tell on video?
I don't think so. Where? Right here?
Yeah.
Right here. Overlaid the vinyl. It's bigger than the other one. Yeah. You can like.
Fuck it. Good enough. It looks sicker that it goes all the way to the wheel well.
Yeah. You're not gonna put it on the front bumper?
I think I am. You think the whole thing? Actually, I'm gonna have to cut some of it in here though.
Yeah. It goes too far into the bumper, I think.
I think this is good. It's supposed to follow the line of the side blinker.
This is like the favorite part, my favorite part on this car though, you know? It's the sticker, you know? Just copying me, honestly.
Just need the stickers, dude. If you want to go faster.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be right here.
Golden hour, SoCal. Pretty perfect. Doesn't get much better than the sunsets here. Honestly. Getting them those reflection shots. Ooh. I love it. Just going for it, dude. The vinyl? I don't know. What do you guys think?
I guess I might as well just leave it on and take it out later if I really wanted to.
Yeah, for sure looks better, dude. The other one?
What?
For sure looks better.
No, it angles down a little.
Oh yeah, it goes down like, for sure. Yeah. Alright. You think?
Look at the eye level. It's straight enough.
I already
Right?
was using cartilage, so I think, yeah, and just looking at the way you're
That spray on there?
it's very
Taking this
constantly
straight.
bending your knee, right?
Yeah.
You know when you
You should pull the string.
Yeah.
try, you have to strain out your leg if you're not.
Dude.
That's it.
This looks so plain on the side now. It looks nice.
You almost forgot, bro.
It kind of smells good.
The tire shine?